everybody, today, welcome back to another video. Today, I have not done these and such. I have not done any of these, but I got a light up there. You can't see that, and I got a light up there too. My room light, lamp light. I use that for watching YouTube videos, reading, sometimes making videos. The first time I've ever used this, it's perfect. First time I've set it up in like this bit of an angle, and it was flawless, perfect. And as you can see, I am going to be doing an unbox video. So today, unbox video time. I've never done one of these before. Never ever in my YouTube life. And today we got the new Modulus Nerf series. Nerf N-STRIKE Modulus IONFIRE. It has a 4-bullet capacity. Let's see, ages 8 and up. Dart storage. Let's just get into it. Caution: do not name at eyes or face to avoid injury. Don't do that. If you get it, always read the caution first. And the age. But you have to do that at the store too. Use only darts designed for this product. Do not modify darts or dart blaster. Yeah. I don't think you can modify darts, but you can modify dart blaster. I mean, modify, let's just get into this. And parents, you have to do it. It's too easy, I've done this before so much. This is proper. Normally, my brothers just tear it open, and I mean legit tear. That's the box. Nobody needs instructions, but we might. I'm not kidding. People might need instructions. This is too easy. Another barrel. Now, boom. Boom. 4 dart capacity. And I know I've never said any of these words before, but I have said it. And the blaster. Bullet goes in there. Boom. Oh, that's awesome. See that? Sound. It's awesome sound. Oh my god, this freaking plastic annoys me. I want to do it the proper way. Proper YouTube way. And I know I need more subscribers. I am at 11. We need to hit 20 subscribers. And I know it might not sound surprising for you, but it is for me. My friend, my cousin, which is an awesome YouTuber, go follow him, CodexCraft, and he does YouTube. He has a computer. He has editing stuff. Go check out his channel. He is amazing. Got the darts. And shoot, we got more cutting. Darts! Yay! Darts my favorite. Trash all to the side. Trash. Scissors might need to move. Scissors to the side. All the trash to the side. Now time for these babies. Where to put this thing? Right here is perfect. So, first thing, we got the classic blaster. Boom. So, oh shoot. Oh, don't want to forget that. So, first things first. Snap on included. Annoying. The annoying strap on. Yeah, this thing is like tight. Don't want to break it. This thing snap on. Boss. Yeah, this thing's tight. First ever modulus I've ever had. My friend has a modulus. You put it in like that. Oh, no, never mind. No. Barrel. Now, the bullet. Boom. Now my friend, my cousin, my brother, stepbrother, he has the N-STRIKE. I don't know what the heck you call it, but it's a N-STRIKE. I have like two. I have like two of them. Now, something that I've never done before in my life. Boom. Where's the aiming? There's no aim, you kidding me? Boom. I didn't hit you. I don't think I hit you. I think I'm going to take this off. Oh my God. This thing is impossible to take off. Yes, got it. Boom. Pow. Pow. Orange lava. Now. First frickin' ever Modulus gun. This thing is a boss. Go follow my bro, cousin. Go follow TH Minecraft. Oh shoot. Oh, did you hear that? Hear it? Can you hear it? Oh my god, that feels awesome. That's all for today's video. 3, 2, 1.